Hi, I'm Alejandra S. Marasigan from BS Ed Science 2A. Physical education is an integral part of an educational program purposely to promote the optimum development of an individual physically, socially, emotionally, and mentally through the total movement in the performances of the properly selected physical activities by Andin 2002. Vision. The City College has a vision which is the center of inclusive education in building discipline and good character for God and humanity. This only means that the City College of Calapan has a goal that will help the learners in their future, like having a respect or having a discipline to themselves. They are setting, City College of Calapan is setting rules and regulations that the students or the learners must follow, and especially like saying good morning or good afternoon to the teaching and non-teaching personnel. In the pursuit of the vision of the City College of Calapan as an educational institution subscribing to the total development of the youth, the following are the mission statements of the City College of Calapan. Ang napili ko po is yung B po is to provide for a general education that will develop the whole human personality and seek to create a cultural environment that will prepare him to be competent for life. This only means that in order for City College of Calapan to achieve their vision, there are actions that they are making, like they are providing role models like other teachers who have a discipline to themselves and giving a proper education, and by this learners are going to achieve what City College of Calapan are aiming for. Like there are some students that not following the direction of the exam, but in the City College of Calapan, they are teaching students that who don't follow rules to follow rules, and magagamit nila yon sa future nila, lalo na kapag sila ay professional na. And isa pa dito is kilala ang City College, City Collegian dahil sa disiplinado sila, lalo na kapag example po nito is pag may mga interviews po na pagpapasok yung isang City Collegian sa isang institution na i-interviewin sila, is hindi pa sila agad umuupo and dinaantay nila yung instructor or yung interviewer na napaupuin sila bago sila umupo, which is yun yung pinakang provide ng City College of Calapan na maging disiplinado and maging masunurin sa mga rules and regulations. The philosophy of the City College of Calapan is we create possibilities for lifelong learning. Ito yung pinangahawakan ng City College of Calapan and the City Collegian, na if gusto mo talaga yung isang bagay, laging may paraan, and kung ayaw mo naman is maraming dahilan, pero mas inaano dito yung kagustuhan mo na matuto, na kahit sobrang hirap ay magiging madali if gusto mo talaga, and yung imposible is magiging posible kapag gusto mo talaga. Yun lang po.